Once assembled, the Nostalgia Retro Countertop Cotton Candy Maker should be powered on for 10 minutes to preheat the unit. Once the power switch is on, the extractor head starts spinning. Below the rotating head, an orange glow will appear indicating that the unit is beginning to warm up. After 10 minutes, power off the unit. There are a couple of options for making the cotton candy, either using flossing sugar or inserting hard candies. When using hard candies, place one hard candy on opposite ends of each other inside the extractor head. Then power on the unit again. It should take under a minute for the hard candy to melt inside the extractor head and start forming soft webs inside the see-through plastic guard. Once the candy floss webbing starts forming, take one of the long plastic cones and start gathering the candy floss. Place the plastic cone horizontally and twirl the cone while gathering the candy floss around the cone. Depending on your comfort level, you may use one hand or both hands to twirl the plastic cone while gathering the cotton candy. The fluffy cotton candy will start forming around the cone.